Hey guys, so this is a little tutorial on how to use the TI-30XS Multiview. So, for basic operations that we're going to do in chemistry. The first thing is exponents. So with this calculator, if you have something times 10 to a power, this is how you put it in. Let's say you have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, and you need to enter it into the calculator. Well, put the first part of the number, 6.022. Then, see this button here that says times 10 to the n? Press that, and then press the power, 23. And there you go. If it's a negative exponent, no big deal, same thing. Enter the first part of the number. Let's say it's 1.609 times 10 to the minus 19th. You press 1.609 times 10 to the n, negative 19th. There you go. So another nice thing about this calculator is that you can store numbers in memory. Let's say you're doing a calculation and you have this number right here and you need to use it later on in the calculation, but you have to do some other stuff first in the calculation. So to store this in memory, press STO for store. Then you have to put it into an address in memory. So here, see where it says X, Y, Z, T and all that? Press that. And you can either, if the first default is X, if there's also Y, Z, T, A, B, and C. So let's put it in C, press enter. Now it's in C, so when you need it, all you do is press recall, which is the green above the store. So you press the second function, second, recall, and then go down until you get to C, press enter. There it is. Another nice thing about this calculator is you can convert between scientific and decimal notation. So let's say you're in decimal notation, which is the default. To go to scientific, see the mode button, press mode, and see where it's flashing on the DEG, arrow down and over until the SCI is flashing, press enter, second quit. Now press enter. That's in scientific notation. To go back, all you do is press mode, arrow down until the norm is flashing, press enter, second quit, you press enter, now it's back in decimal notation. So another thing that you're going to be doing with your calculators is powers. So let's say you have to take 3 to the 4th power. Well, you press the first number, let's get rid of this, 3, then just press the caret here, then the power 4, press enter. There it is, 3 to the 4th is 81. Taking roots, square root's easy. So if you take the square root of 9, see the square root above the x squared, that's green. So you press the second function, square root 9, enter, and 3 is the square root of 9. Now let's say you wanted to do a different root, not the square root, say cube root. So what you do is you press the root that you want. So the cube root, you press a 3. Second, see the x root, press that, and say we want the cube root of 9, press 9, enter, and 2.08 is the cube root of 9. So those are some basic functions that make this calculator a lot easier for you to use.